Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your cash flow strategist Cater. In this video today guys, I want to tell you about one easy, effective, powerful way that I found that you can actually use to make $100 a day online utilizing your cell phone. This is so powerful guys. Matter of fact, here we have one of my mentors here did $8,000 and he sent it to me and said, Kato, you gotta check this thing out myself. I might just flip it on the screen so you can see it here. And then I started looking into it. It's a phone funnel. Online, you don't have to actually use the computer if you don't want to. Only the time that you set it up. Once you set it up, you never need a computer again. That's what I want to talk to you about in this video. Matter of fact, when he sent it to me, when he told me about it, I was a little bit, I was doing my thing. I have so many other things going on. I didn't want to take a look into it. And then I took a look into it. I went to the system and I saw what it's capable of doing. It's so powerful because I already have some fan pages that I've been building. And I was thinking about, Instagram, because Instagram is not much you could do because you're not really driving traffic from Instagram through links and stuff because you only have one link. Then I decided, let me test it on one of my Instagram page. Automatically, I put the number on. Boom, sell on the first day, $100 came in, then $200, then $300, then it started growing, and it's crazy. And I'm like, dude, I gotta share this stuff with other people. How you can utilize the system and start making $100 a day sharing a phone number. Okay, so this is our Facebook group, and I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm not the only one who's having results with this, only me and my mentor. So there's a bunch of people. You can see he posts his proof over here, but let me show you the pictures in the group that people just already added. In just the last couple of days, you will see other people's proof. There's a bunch of other people that added their proof. Let's look at some of them real quick. You can see Clinton did $300 with just 29 phone calls, right? $300. Let me show you another person here so you can see. And you can see their post here real quick. Steven made $100 with 10 phone calls made. And this is just getting started, guys. This because you can see we're still in the infancy stage of this thing. This person made $200 with 16 calls. We haven't even go crazy on this stuff yet. Let me show you another person here who's winning and killing. You can see it's all different people. This is Justin again. Let me just click for someone else so you can see. This is different posts of people actually posting in the Facebook groups. You can see Corey Reynolds over here says, I'm really excited. This is about, I'm really excited about this slick system. I think it's about to be very attractive. And boom, he made $1,400 on 137 phone calls. So quickly call the number down below, guys. I can keep scrolling. You can see people have different results. There's people that's doing 1,000. There's people that's doing 200. There's people that's doing 3,000. So it's pretty cool, guys. It's pretty amazing. We have Donna here who just made her first $100 of 11 calls. And I can just keep scrolling for so many different proofs. So you're going to get a phone number. Once you get the phone number, people's going to go through the funnel through the phone. So they never really have to leave the funnel, go to the internet or anything. Matter of fact, you can find more information. I'm going to put my number down below in the description. All you got to do is call that number. Once you call that number, it's going to show you an easy way for you to be able to make money every single day with an automated phone system. I was not the type of guy. I don't like automated phone automation because I felt like people would be calling you all the time with those automated things. I just felt like they kind of annoying. But this one is set up differently. The way that the system is set up, it's totally different because once you get the lead and they coming in, they the one calling you versus you calling a bunch of people, telling them, hey, join your business or whatever. That might work, but it's a lot of rejecting because you're the one doing the call. This is totally different. The people are the one calling you. They get into the funnel. You never have to speak with them. The funnel start out with a text message. I was shocked. And I'm like, well, it's telling me when someone is hot right now, they actually want to buy the product. And it'll also allow me to sell any of my other business in the back end. That's what makes this system so powerful. So check it out. Okay, check it out. I'm going to put my number below. Matter of fact, there's no link. You're not clicking any link. You're not going on any website. If you see this video, there's no link at all. You just see a number. All you got to do is call the number, go through it, And once you call it, you will see how we are popping up $100 every calls that come in. $100, $100. And if you have the traffic, you can crush it. Matter of fact, if you go to the whole funnel and you do whatever it says, I'm gonna share my Instagram strategy with you. Okay, for those of you that take action, I'm actually gonna share my Instagram strategy with you to where I'm getting traffic, phone calls every single day, and you can just keep cashing in those $100. Anyway, I wanted to share this stuff with you. It's one of the easiest way that I find. I share many strategy on my YouTube channel on how to make money online, $100, $200 a day. This one is the least complicated. The least complicated. Once you set it, it's just let it go, drive traffic. It's the least complicated of all. Most of the other stuff, you got to create a capture page. You got to create a website. You got to understand how to do Google Ads, maybe Amazon. I teach you many different stuff on my channel. But with this, it's the easiest thing. All you got to do is call the number. So look at my number down below. Call that number, go to the funnel. It's like less than 5 minutes on the phone. Everything's done on the phone. You never even have to leave your phone. Through the text, you can start cashing out. And what makes it really cool, you can get paid with Cash App. You can literally use your Cash App and start getting paid all day. Like you can set up your own payment method, how you like to get your $100, whether through PayPal, Cash App. Whether you have your own merchant, you just set up the merchant and just keep getting phone calls and then keep getting money. That's how cool this stuff is. If you'd like to check it out, leave a comment down below. Also check in the description, look for my number, give it a call, follow the process, and I'll see you on the other Cash Out the Money. Once you win, send me a message, and then I'm gonna send you, I might get with you together and show you what I'm doing on Instagram just to get calls all day long and just cash out every single day with this stuff. I think it's really powerful. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's called the Abundance Network. I think, right? It's called the Abundance Network. But it's really cool, guys, and I'm cashing out. I just want to keep you guys updated. Let's go do it, man. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Get in the game, balls in your lane. Push hard, push through, you can do it. I'm here to put you on, so let's crush it. Don't stop, don't quit, go against the odds, and we'll shine bright like a diamond. Hold your breath, dive deep, cause I got your back. Living life, living dreams. Make that body stack, never quitting. It's up to you, there's no limit. Dreams never die if you try. I'm there.